So, if you have a snake sa iyong chart, no, this year is all about balancing kasi meron tayong mga support from noble people around you, influence, and at the same time, health issues, disputes, and argument. And which is why this video is here for you para makapag-strategize tayo in making 2026 a meaningful and thriving year. But of course, hindi lang po isa ang iyong animal, you actually have four. So, ang snake nyo pwede itong mag-land sa iyong hour, month, and even day kung wala pong iba sa iyong year. Now, to find out kung ano ang mga animals na meron ka sa iyong chart, register, it's free, no? Para alam nyo ano ang mga animals nyo sa iyong chart. Now, let's go to the auxiliary stars for the snakes to 2026. The first auxiliary star that we have for the snake is thriving. So, ano ibig sabihin ng star na ito? Of course, from the word itself, no, maraming opportunities na pwedeng pumasok sa 2026. It also brings honor, career advancement within 2026. Ayan, may mga opportunities at ating snakes sa 2026. Kailangan po natin lalong magsipag. Next naman is Heavenly Chef. This is all about enjoying good food, enjoying a lot of exciting activities, no, that would allow you to spend more time and enjoy life with your loved ones, no. Next is Heavenly Officer. So this is all about support from noble people around you. Sa mga tao na may alam at may resources na makakatulong sa inyo ma-overcome ang mga challenges nyo or mga problema nyo within 2026. Is actually a good start to have. But of course, no, before tayo mag-continue, meron Prosper 2026 free ebook na pwede nyo nang i-download, no, sa aking website. Ayan, ang video, no, showing how to actually navigate ng aking website para makapag-download kayo ng free ebook. It's all about the Crimson Horse 2026. Mga free information na pwede nyong malaman tungkol sa iyong day pillars, mga animal ang chart nyo, even yung feng shui. Meron din ditong best date and time to place your cure para sa 2026 Miss Fortune Star. Marami pa kayo malalaman dito sa inyong sa ebook na ito. So please download. And on top of that, ito pag-register nyo, makaka-access kayo sa newsletter that I give away every week. Mga free information para mas madagdagan ang kaalaman nyo sa Chinese metaphysics. Okay, so going back to our auxiliary star, meron tayong broken star, no, para sa snake. So ano ibig sabihin na to? This is all about items sa bahay, no, breaking down, nasisira, pwede yung kotse, mga gamit sa bahay, gamit sa workplace, no, medyo mga sirain na ang mga item, no. But this is actually a good problem because the other side of broken star can also mean separation, dispute and argument, broken relationship, no? So, okay na yung masira yung mga item kesa doon. But of course, doon sa relationship, para maiwasan ito, make sure po, no, mas i-explain natin ng maigi ang mga sinasabi natin para maiwasan ang misinterpretation ng mga sinasabi nyo o kaya misinterpret ang mga actions nyo. Be patient in explaining more para hindi tayo magkaroon breakdown of communication na nag-lead to arguments and disputes. Next auxiliary star is the solid killing. This is all about obstacles, challenges, no, mga disruption na pwede mangyari sa inyo sa 2026. And para ma-manage ito, make sure no, meron tayong mga backup plans, lalo-lalo na kapag meron tayong ini-implement na project o kaya mga goals na gusto natin i-achieve in 2026. Make sure na may mga na different plans and action para hindi kayo mahirapan, no? In case na dumating itong mga obstacles, ready ka mag-adapt to make some changes, mag-pivot, para talaga tuloy-tuloy ang pag-accomplish mo ng mga goals mo within 2026 kahit may mga obstacles. Next naman is Moyue. Now, this one is all about emotional problem, emotional pain, or this could even lead to separation from loved ones. So, of course, this one can be managed base sa mga reactions nyo o mga actions na ginagawa ninyo sa mga loved ones nyo. So, make sure that you always practice patience and understanding and diplomacy when you're speaking to your loved ones para maiwasan natin ma-activate ito auxiliary start. At the end of the day, ang reactions nyo, ang emotions nyo na ma-manage nyo ito, no? May control kayo dito. So, make sure na ma-manage ito ng maayos para hindi rin ba tayo bira, no? Express ng mga emotions natin na hindi natin nababantayan kung tayo ay nakakasakit ba. Next naman is death god, no? This can be problems, issues that could lead to negligence, no? O kaya ng mga problem that is led by negligence, no? Nakalimutan mong gawin ito, nang dahil dito lumaki yung mga problema. So pay attention to the details in everything that you do. And always remember that God and the devil is in the details. Make sure bantayan nyo lahat ng mga detalye na ginagawa ninyo. Mag-journal kayo para hindi tayo makalimot ng mga important information at could lead to further problems kapag ito ay nakalimutan. And of course, we have the sickness star sa ating snake for 2026. So ano ibig sabihin nito? Roon tayo magkasakit, no? Lalo-lalo na kung hindi tayo nag-aalaga. O kaya naman we don't rest, no? Always remember that resting is never time wasted because you're recovering from all the hard work and mga effort na ginagawa nyo, no? So resting is never act of shame. It's actually one way to respect your body, which what the divine has given you. Respecting your body, listening to it, magpahinga pagka nakakaramdam tayo ng pagod. Remember always that resting is time gained, never wasted. So basically, sa ating 2026, ang snake is all about balance, support from noble people, support from contact auxiliary star that would give you all the solutions kailangan nyo para ma-handle natin mga challenges within 2026. But at the same time, be discerning sa mga actions nyo, lalo-lalo na po concerning sa inyong health, magpahinga, pagpagod, huwag po natin i-overextend ang sarili natin. And of course, yung emotions natin, i-manage natin ito carefully. And always have the patience to explain kung ano ang mga naiisip nyo, break down everything that you're saying para maiwasan natin ang miscommunication. Ayan. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and hope to see you in my next video, which is the horse. Bye!